Okay, next program is sum of two numbers. Write a Python program for accepting two numbers. Accept two numbers. Write a Python program for accepting two numbers and display the sum. Okay. Here now I have to change my program. First and foremost thing, I have to ask the end user to enter any number. Second statement is everyone is having the same thing. Case of Aishwarya or any one person. So A is my variable name. Number one is my variable name. Anything you can write here, but one number we cannot write. It is invalid. You can consisting of any number in the variable or object at last or middle. Number one equals to input. You can generally write input is the function, but input may be anything. Input may be a string, input may be character. I have to tell it is an integer. Integer means numbers. Numbers will be stored in the memory. So int of int is the another function. Int is the function. Int is a function. It is going to convert whatever you value you are entering in the output. 22 if you entered using input. 22 is a string. So string I need to store a number. So that's why I have to convert into the integer. This input into integer. Similarly, second number, enter any number. Similarly, I have the another variable like 2, number 2, int of input, once again second number. Now the sum is, sorry, you need to take the other variable or the other object, result, res for result. Result equals to num1 plus num2. Now sum is result. Okay, now what happens if I first I execute, save this particular file as save as sum, automatically .py will be stored, so no need of write extension. Click on save. Let me run this particular program. Run F5. If I enter two numbers like this here at last at bottom, will be asking, okay, enter any number at the bottom. You are seeing this here at the corner. Enter some number like 12. Once again, I entered something like 34. I click on enter. Total is 46. You got the output. You got the output. Let me see what is the program, how it is going to execute. So this is the statements you written for sum of two numbers program. So let me analyze the program. What is the first statement? Print enter any number. Enter any number is displayed in the output. You have two memories. NEM1 is one memory, NEM2 is one memory, and result is the another memory. So enter any number. So whatever number you entered, input is going to take some number, but it may be a raw characters. That means it is a string. So we need to convert into the integer because of it is a number. Number must be converted to integer. Okay. So whatever value you entered, for example, I entered 22 in the output. So every particular object is having memory. For example, NEM1 is first memory, NEM2 is the second memory, and the result is the third memory. Every particular object is having some address like 100, 102, 104. Okay, these are the address locations in the RAM. What happens if I entered this particular statement? If I entered any input, it will be converted to integer and stored in the num variable. Num1 equals to this one. That means whatever value I entered, that will be stored in the, well, for example, 22 I entered, it will be searches for this address and 22 will be stored. And next, enter any number. Number 2, same input of int of input. That means whatever value we are entering, it will be searches for the second address. Num2 is the location name. It will be stored under that. For example, if I entered 33 second time, it will be stored. Now, what is the result? This particular statement, after the inputting this one and this one, it will be storing the number 1 memory plus number 2 memory, that is 22 plus 33. The result is 55. Okay, because number 1 plus number 2, 22 plus 33, that will be assigned to whom? Result equals to number 1 plus number 2. Now after that, sum is displayed. This is a string. It will be displayed followed by result. What is the result? 55. So this is the analysis. You understand? You understand? Aishwarya? Aishwarya? Respond. Okay. Okay. So this is the program. Similarly, you can do some other programs. It is an integer. Okay. So this is some of two numbers program we done.